everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I got this unpacking Kate Spade Wellesley Small Quinn, and it's arrived here. It was arriving tomorrow, but it got here early, so I'm so excited to open it. So here we go. Ooh, so hard to open it. I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, here it comes. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be so. Okay. Here. Got that open. Oh, I'm so excited. Here it comes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. The set. Said thank you. Oh my gosh. Here's the bag. And here she is. Oh my God. Here she is, y'all. Oh, ain't she's a beauty? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So this is a Wellesley Small Quinn Kate Spade. Oh my god. And it is so freaking gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Here's the inside. Here's the two pockets for your pens and your phone. And here's an opening pocket. Here's a zipper part where you can put your bill folder, your personal thing, your tablet, like that. And here another opening, and here's a zipper. There's a zipper part where you can put your charger, your phone charger, or your earphones, small earphones. And I got this on Poshmark for $50. Got the nice handles. It got the crossbody. Let's see. Give you those. Let's see. See, right here with my hips. That way you can hear on the crossbody, or you can just handle like on your arm. So that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and a thumbs up. So I see you in the next video. Bye.